what we have is the Beats Pill Plus by Apple, Dre branded. So we're going to open it up, hear how it sounds, and see what's inside this box. So opening up the box here, we see that one section comes with the charger as well as the charging cable. And the next section we're of course going to have the speaker. It comes nicely packaged here. We'll open it up, see if it comes charged. Ta-da! Alright, so its form factor here comes in a nice pill-shaped size, a little bit smaller than the Sony Extra Bass XB30 speakers that Sony has been releasing here lately. In the same price range, of course, we can expect around the same level of sound quality coming from the speaker. Of course, it is Beats branded, so we should have a heftier bass sounding here. So we're going to put on some royalty-free music and hear how loud this gets and how well the bass does sound coming out of this. So certainly impressive sound for the size of this speaker here. Now this speaker does have a 12-hour battery life, so you'll certainly be able to go all day long with no worries on this speaker here. So on the back of the speaker you'll notice that we have a full-size USB port, so you'll actually be able to charge your phone as well when using the speaker. It also has the charging cable as well, plus an auxiliary input cable, so you certainly can plug any media device straight into the speaker. And of course it has Bluetooth as well. So it's pretty light here, so you'll certainly be able to carry it around in a purse or light bag, take it to the beach with you. Great speaker. Right now you can find these on sale up to 50% off. On the top you'll notice that we have the power, your Beats logo. So that has been a quick look and unboxing of the Beats Pill Plus by Apple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.